This is the start of the topic on something called polygon. So it is part of the geometry topic. So the name polygon has two parts. Poly means many, and the first part means many, and then guns means size. So basically you're dealing with shapes that has many sides. So far, since primary school, you have dealt with triangles. So triangles are three sides. So the number of sides, right, is denoted as n. That means you use n to represent the number of sides. So triangle will be n is equal to 3. So in primary school, right, we learned that all the three angles will add up to 180 degrees. So we also know under the basic geometry that is called the angle sum of triangle. So when it comes to n equal to 4, that will be 4 sides. So all the 4-sided figure is named under quadrilateral. So under quadrilateral, we got quite a few, like a square, 4-sided, a rectangle is 4-sided, parallelogram is 4-sided, a rhombus is also 4-sided. So all these are classified under quadrilateral 4-sided. And we, of course, if you got 4 sides, we got 4 angles. And these 4 angles, you were told that it add up to 360 degrees. So that is called the angle sum of quadrilateral. Oh, there's one more 4-sided figure. I forgot to write down. Another one will be the trapezium. So in area and perimeter mensuration topic, you will be investigating the area and perimeter of this shape. So in this topic, we are investigating the angle regarding this shape. So geometry investigate angles, mensuration will investigate area and perimeter of the shapes that you have come across. So we know 180 is angle sum of triangle, 360 is angle sum of quadrilateral. So you are somehow make to memorize that it is 180 and it's 360. So when it comes to 5-sided, we call it pentagon. So in a pentagon, there will be 5 interior angles. There will be 5 angles inside. So if you take a look, triangle, we got 3 interior angles. Interior means inside the shape. So these 3 add up to 180. And in quadrilateral, we got 4, and 4 add up to 360. So in a way, if I got 5 angles in a pentagon, I will be expecting more than 360. So how are we going to know the total? So there's one way to know. One way is to cut. If you cut, you will get 3 triangles. So you will get 180, 180, 180. So I will know that if I add up all the angle, I will be getting 3 times 180. So that's one way we can do it. Okay, but it's not very feasible because if you're going to do it for a bigger shape, that means you got to cut a lot. So this is actually not the preferred method. So even though this works, okay, but it is not the preferred method. So we know that it's going to be 540. So later we are going to learn a formula. So there is a formula called the total interior angle formula. So this is a formula that can help us to find. So if I try using it with n equal to 5, if I try using it with n equal to 5, and you punch calculator, you got the 540. Does this work for the triangle? Yeah, it works for the triangle. So I can put in n equal to 3. So using this same formula, I'm going to put in n equal to 3, and that's how the 180 comes about. You know, your teacher have been telling you it's 180, so where does it come from? It actually comes from here. So you also can put n equal to 4. So you can try putting n equal to 4. I'm a bit running out of space. So if I put in n equal to 4, you punch calculator, that gives you the 360. So the bigger, the more sides that a polygon has, the more interior angle there is, because you got more angle. So subsequently, if you go to a hexagon, can you look at the third alphabet? It's like a number 6. So hexagon has 6 sides. So there will be 6 angles that are inside. And what is the total for this 6 angle? What will be the total for this 6 angle that is inside? Interior angle means they are inside the shape. So you will get 720. All the 6 angle will add up to 720. Just now, all the 5 angle will add up to 540. For any 4-sided, it will add up to 360. So you can see the pattern. If you got more sides, you got more angle, so it should total up even more. So heptagon is 7 sides. So these are all the fanciful names that you would actually need to know. So if you try that for heptagon, and you just punch calculator, you will get 900. That means all the 7 angles, they may not be equal, so don't assume that each of them are equal yet. So we know that now you got 7. All the 7 angles will add up to 900. So this is like angle sum of heptagon. And this is like angle sum of hexagon. And this is angle sum of pentagon. So if I use the generic formula, I can find all the angle sum, including the one that you have been told since primary school, 180 and 360. So your syllabus will cover until 10 sides. Sometimes you got 11 sides. So 8 sides, we call it an octagon. Sounds like octopus. So you might use the octopus to help you remember. Nonagon, 9 sides. You use the double N. The double N resemble look a little bit like the alphabet, the letter 9, N-I-N-E. So there are 9 of them. So if you can try your luck, not try your luck, you try the formula. the 9 angles, the 8 angles should add up to quite a lot. So n equal to 10, 10 sides. So that's like decade. The English word decade means 10 years. So we got 10 angles. So you might want to try. What do you think is the total for the 10 angles? It's actually 1440. Can you guess how I know? The 9 angles add up to 1260. And the 8 angles add up to 1080. So with more number of sides, you got more interior angle. So the angle sum will be a lot. So common sense will tell you 8 sides, 8 angle inside. 9 sides, 9 angle inside. Okay, so that will be the introduction. You will need to know all the names. In a way, you will need to memorize.